how to change username on Venmo. So if you would like to change the username on Venmo, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Venmo application, and this is the type of information that you will see. And once you are here, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you have done that, you want to simply go to settings and just go to edit profile. Now once you go to the edit profile option, on the next particular page you'll find your name and everything else. So just make sure to enter your first name, your last name, and your username and so on. And once done, just tap on the save option from the top right by entering your username, and just like that your username on Venmo will be successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change username on Venmo. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.